Okay.
to this
Yes, you're
committee.
under oath, and I think that will take you back. So, on serious note.
I pray, Chair,
I'm
that
asking
you
you
repeat
again.
that question to him.
You are a member of parliament, I mean the county assembly of Nyamira. Say yes or no. You are a member.
As at now?
Yes.
Yes, because I'm a
That's
member.
it.
Don't say no.
That's it.
Because,
Order.
you know,
That's
under Section
Order,
County Government
order.
Act,
So that
Section
will be-
7B,
that will be done by our team.
a speaker is a member,
That's
an
right.
ex officio.
No,
Through
you are an elected member of the assembly.
Ekenenya.
Elected member or nominated.
Elected.
Specifically, Karenya Ward.
Okay. Have you been a member of, any one time or now? Were you a deputy speaker?
Deputy Speaker, yes.
Before you resumed this one.
Yes,
You are deputy speaker.
yes,
Okay.
yes. And then after that, acting speaker.
And now,
Yeah.
not acting.
And now elected as a speaker.
Okay.
Yes.
And then you are still an MCA.
I did a resignation.
Okay. We
through-
will interpret that one. Okay.
Through the
The
chair and
question whether they forwarded it or not,
through the chair and through your legal team,
Parting short, Honorable
Chair,
Chair.
there is
No party shop.
Chair,
Time, we have time back.
there is a matter.
Honorable Chair, if
We are
I
going to
can't
chamber
say,
again.
if I